I remember this is probably 15 or 20 years ago when we started to see this transition when we were doing PDM installations, where early days it was what you said, you got a server and you put all the software on it. And usually there was a database, there's a licensed server, and there's some kind of application server. Even if it was like Windows client server or web or whatever, but that was kind of how you did it. And then over time, we did it all, right? As consultants, we'd put all that stuff in place and we just handled it for people. And it was almost like the instructions for installation were just one long set. And then over time, we started to get this creeping in where the IT department would say, well, if you're going to put a database in, well, we have a guy who does that, or we want to put it in a certain way. And it's like that. That's where things started to creep in. You just get a little component over here or another server over there. And like you said, it just starts to creep in a little bit that it gets more and more complicated.
Yeah, well, that was my question. It sounds like it's all part of an IT budget versus, something separate. Or is it?
Well, I think that's an interesting point. I mean, it is, it's where it probably gets absorbed, but a lot of the costs end up getting absorbed by other departments. So your hard costs get absorbed typically by IT, but your opportunity costs end up being elsewhere, because then you probably have a lot of people that have to get involved in processes like what Jonathan mentioned. If you have to go then outside for a database expert, or if you have to go outside to the vendor for some technology expert, or you have to get somebody that's an expert on Azure or something like that can deal with containerization. A lot of people get pulled into those conversations, and it may not just be IT. You may need a subject matter expert in engineering that can help come in and help with the process or things like that, or how something needs to interact. You might have someone from procurement that needs to say how things are going to work with suppliers. If you're dealing with suppliers and interacting that way.